Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Azba and today I am directly to my point. Today I will show you some Google tricks that are amazing and you will see you will be shocked that how Google is doing like this. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first you have to go on Google. I had already opened. So on Google you have to search Google underwater. Okay, this is the first hack I am showing you. Then you have to click on the first link that is shown on your screen. Then you have to wait for a while. It will be an underwater sea. The Google isn't underwater. How it is crawling in the water? So you have been seen that in Google search it has been written more fish please. If you tap on search, so more fishes will become. See, more fishes are coming. It is very interesting. So I will give it thumbs up. So our next hack is very simple. You just have to write Google barrel roll. That's it, and then you have to press enter. Then you will press on the first link. Then see how it will barrel Google. See how amazing this hack is. If you like this hack, so please thumbs up and like my video. So my next hack is you have to search on Google that Google gravity. Okay, you have to search Google gravity and just wait for a while. You have to click on a first link and then see how gravity will show. Wait, 1 2 3. See how the gravity खींच लाई इसको नीचे. तो इस हैक अच्छा इसमें जो है जो ये सारे आइकन्स हैं ये वर्क करते हैं. अगर आप सर्च पे दबाएंगे तो यहाँ पे गूगल सर्च भी हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे जीमेल पे दबाएंगे तो ये जीमेल खुल जाएगा. तो दिस हैक इज वेरी मच सक्सेसफुल. सो आवर नेक्स्ट हैक इज यू हैव टू सर्च अर्थ डे क्विज and then press enter. Then the quiz will appear on your screen in front of you. It is shown Earth Day. Which animal are you? If you answer these simple questions, you will be seeing that you are what animal are you? So, what are you up to on a typical Friday night? Alone in my burrow, rarely seen out, strutting my stuff and following the herd. I will select this one, rarely seen out. You and your best friend show up to a party wearing the same outfit. What's your reaction? No big deal. How embarrassing. Fight, change outfits. I will obviously fight because I don't want to wear the similar dress. Then choose a snack. Seafood, fruit or insects. Meat, salad. I will obviously choose salad. What do you look for in a partner? Bright colors, loud grunting sounds, a complex system of glands, old-fashioned values. I will choose bright colors.
सुनो.
Choose a hobby. Feats of strength, work around the house. I will choose none of the above. Now you can see what animal are me. You are a coral. So if you don't know whose animal coral is, click on search button and the coral Wikipedia will open in your screen. Okay, so it is an amazing quiz. Please do and search what animal are you. So let's move to our next hack. So our next hack is you have to search that Google Breakout. It is very amazing game. So you have to say Google Breakout and click on the first link that is shown in your screen and then see how many games are there. you just have to click, you just have to do not do anything. The game will appear, so you will play this game. So see, I have been break this many boxes. Or oops, I out. If you press on the T-Rex game, this is what very much simpler game. सी जब आपका नेट नहीं चलता है तो जो है यही गेम आता है. just you have to press enter button and this the game has been started. So I am playing. It is very interesting game. So these are the Google tricks. So much fun. So this was the hack. It was amazing hack. So let's move to our next hack. So next you have to search Google Snake. Obviously everyone has played this game. This game is too much amazing. जो पुराने मोबाइल्स होते थे जैसे नोकिया हो गया, ये सब हो गया, उनमें ये गेम्स हुआ करते थे. और अब आप देख सकते हैं कि कंप्यूटर तक में आ गया. तो प्रेस प्ले. सी how this an amazing game. Oh, I have out. So this hack is amazing. So let's move to our next hack. So guys, that's for all my video. ये ट्रिक्स बहुत ही अमेजिंग थी. होप कि आपको भी अच्छी लगी हो. और प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और देखें कि ये हैक्स आपके कंप्यूटर में सक्सेसफुल होते हैं क्या नहीं. मेरे में तो बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुए. तो ये थी आज की मेरी वीडियोस. होप यू लाइक इट. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, like and share it. So Allah Hafiz guys.